Hey y'all, today we're going to take a look at these easy side steps for our 2023 Ford F-150. The brand did send them over and compensated us for this video. So let me start by saying that these are specifically built for a Ford F-150 Super Crew cab from 2015 all the way up to 2025, but they do also fit an F-250 and F-350 Super Duty Crew cab from 2017 to 2025. But inside the box, everything came packed neatly. We had everything we needed, the running boards themselves, which are made from heavy duty iron, and all the mounting hardware that we'll need. They felt very solid right out of the box, and they are rated to hold up to 350 pounds. So, our truck before does not have any running boards of any kind, no steps. So, we were really excited to install these. Installation was very straightforward. It didn't take long at all. The nice thing is that these are designed so they don't mess with your ground clearance, so you're not losing any like off-road capability. Once they were on, you can see how they really changed the look of the truck. They sit nicely along the cab. They add a bit of style and make it way easier to get in and out for my husband. The black finish is also rust resistant, so they will definitely hold up well over time. And it's just a nice upgrade that's functional and looks good. So we are very happy with them. We love them. We hope you do too. And I hope this video helps.